in drama and puppet class.
And viewers like you, thank you.
Eugene, the ugly puppet, the master of evil. I'm gonna tell a lie about Nick to all his friends, and then they'll start to hate him. And then I'll be the coolest in the school. I'll tell Molly that he picks his nose.
I had a wonderful day.
Yeah, what happened?
I got an A+ on my history test.
Good job, Nick.
I wish I were that good at history.
Well, you're good at Bible class and English class, Molly. You're good.
You really think so?
Yeah.
Well, me and Leah were invited to sleep over. We gotta go.
Okay, see ya.
I got to go to a baseball game. We're playing against the Eagles.
Okay, have fun. I'll miss you, Nikki.
I'll miss you too, Molly.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hello? Who are you?
Eugene, the ugly puppet, the master of evil.
Okay, so?
I know something about your boyfriend, Nick, that you don't know.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Fine, then tell me. He's not my boyfriend.
He picks his nose.
That's terrible. How in the world can you do that? Where did he go? So my brother blew the book around his nose and let him a cake.
Ew, that's gross.
What are you doing here? I thought you were at a sleepover.
Well, yeah. Leah here forgot her book bag and we have like 20 bajillion questions to work on in math.
She like needs her stupid cheat sheet.
Sorry. Hey, did you guys hear about Nick?
No.
Well, he picks his belly button. No!
What? What is it coming to? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but don't tell anyone. Okay, I have to go. Bye.
Hey, Daniel B, did you hear what Nick did?
Can you believe what Nick did?
Wow, isn't that gross?
So, what did he do? Well, Molly and Till said to her that Nick picks his colon.
That's what Molly said. He said he picks his earwax.
You're wrong, Olivia!
No, I know I'm right. So, who is right?
I am! Oh, my phone is ringing. Hello? Hi, Emily. Hey, did you hear about Nick? Yeah, he picks his nose. Yeah. Don't tell anybody because it's kind of cringy.
Actually, Leah, he bites his fingernails.
You're wrong, Olivia.
Alright, it's time for us to party.
Off they go.
Hi, everyone. Why is no one talking to me?
Well, Nick, everyone is saying that you pick your belly button lip.
What? I didn't do that.
Yes, you did.
No, I really didn't.
I don't believe you.
Yeah.
All right, kids, time for Sunday school. Hi, kids. Today my lesson is about gossip. I want to read you guys Proverbs 26:17. It says, "He that passeth by and meddleth with strife, lying not to him, is like one to passing dogs by the ears." Kids, gossip is bad. I brought my dog today to illustrate why gossip is bad. It says in the Bible that when we tell rumors, it's like grabbing a dog by the ears, holding it really tight. What do you think my dog would do?
It bite you. Duh.
That's right, it would bite me. Kids, we shouldn't tell rumors about people. It is bad. We say mean things about people. We say nice words of encouragement. In the Bible, it says to let no corrupt communications proceed out of thy mouth. So kids, remember, gossip is bad, and God does not like it. Sunday school is over. Bye.
Is it actually over?
Wow, Nick, I feel bad. Me too. Yeah, I'm sorry. We normally knew it wasn't true, but we still said it anyways. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I forgive you guys. I I guess we're all going to listen about gossiping and rude today. Look.
Yeah, gossip is bad.
Yeah, so anyone wants to play basketball? So Nate, did you look at your nose?
No! Hi, Eugene.
Hi, Nick. Still picking notes.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Eugene, our Sunday school teacher taught us that telling rumors is like, grabbing a dog by the ears.
Yeah, gossiping is bad.
Oh, my plans have been foiled again, and I would have gotten away with it if it for your pesky kids and your stupid dog.
But we don't have a dog.
Our Sunday school teacher does.
Ah!
Poor kid. Well, I guess he learned his lesson.
Yeah, so anyone wants to play some basketball?
Sure. I almost forgot.
Nick, what are you doing?
Wait a second, Molly. I will be there in a minute.
Well, get back soon. I miss you.
I will, don't worry.
Okay.
I have a good song. Well known this little lad of mine, right? Okay, so let's sing it and remember when we spread rumors about people, our light is not shining.
This is really fun.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Alright, thank you for watching the show. Bye.